Hello guys, let's talk about the Mehron 30 Paradise Makeup Pro Palette. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, I am so excited because we're gonna open up the Mehron Makeup Paradise Makeup AQ30 Color Pro Palette. Yes, I already opened the, what is this? The plastic, but I did not open yet the palette because I wanna do it here and show it to you guys. What gonna be my reaction, and maybe we'll try swatches some in my hands so we can see how much or good is this face painting. And yes, it's not a makeup, kinda, consider face painting a makeup, but I'm kind of into a face painting since last year. But what I got is I think I need more, pigment. So when I was talking to my husband, he's like, how about get like professional face painting palette, or if they have. And I said, I don't know if they have. And then my husband searched for it, and then he got me this. Oh my god, he's my big sponsor. My big sponsor. So thank you to my husband for the sponsor of this one. And no, this is not a sponsored video, okay? He got it on in his own pocket, I mean the money for this. So yeah, I already what is that, get the plastic on. So I thought this is like part of the palette, but I guess not. So this is just what is this, a cardboard that it has the color on the back. So I don't know why they don't put this here in the front, or on the back, because so this is the front. It says Mehron Makeup, and it's just a typical, plastic packaging. And then on the back is the color. The name of the color is like Wild Orchid, Red, Purple, Violet. So that is the color, and there's no, what is this, there is no color. But how about like this? I don't know, this is cute if I'm gonna attach it. But let's see the inside of the palette. So, and by the way, yes, it's not cheap. Oh, okay. Like, oh, okay, so why is this paper doing this? So it's like a palette. Oh my god, it looks like the blue has it has like, what is this, someone drop it? So it's like a real palette. It has plastic, when you got a new palette. And this is the Mehron face palette. It looks like a big huge eyeshadow. So I don't know this one, if you can see it. I hope I'm not gonna drop it. But this one here, it looks like, did you see that? It's like it's not broken, but it has like a, it's not it has like, I don't know what is that. So that is the 30 colors. So every color you want, it's here in the palette, and which is good because it's big. And yeah, and oh god, this 3 white and 3 black. Yes, because mostly that is like, the main color that you need for face painting. But the good thing about this one is, yes, it is expensive. It is $99 in Amazon. My husband got this on Amazon. But what the good thing about this, it is magnetic refillable 30 color palette. Like if one of the color here is, you'll finished it, all you have to do, just buy the single color the single palette, or the single color, and just attach it, because it says it's what is this, magnetic, so it's easy to refill if it's done, which is I bet white is always, I always got that. But let's try, because it's like 5 minutes now. I talk too much. So let's try it, and let's do the swatch in my hand. Okay, let's swatch the face painting, or the Paradise Makeup Pro palette. Let's start with the what letter? Let's start with the color white. Do I need to? So here, white. You know the color, so I don't need to show it to you. I'm just kidding. So let's dip it, and I will swatch it in my hand. Okay, let's start. Ooh, love it. So I'm just gonna do like that. Let's do red. Ooh. Wow. Okay. That's the red. Wow. And this is our swatches, and yeah, so far it's really bright on my hand, like the white, the red, orange, yellow, green, pink, blue, but gold, I'm not sure, maybe because needs it's dark in here, I'm not sure, but it's not really showing. But purple and black, oh my g, it's not a swatch, it's a drawing on my hand. But what do you think of the color? It's very vibrant. Oh my g, love it. Okay, so here is the palette after I swatch some of the colors. So the purple, the red, the blue, and even though the blue has a crack on it, but it looks like it healed. It healed when I put water on it, dip water on it, or the brush with water. But yeah, that is our palette. And what do you think of this Mehron makeup, guys? Is this the first time that you saw them? Because it is the first time I found out that they have this kind of palette. I don't even know that. My husband searched for it, because before, especially during Halloween, I always got like face paint, but it's always like in a liquid form. And I'm not really into like, oh, it's Mehron is good, or whatever is available. Actually, whatever is available on the store, I grab it, although it's not really that good. So maybe in the future I'm gonna have another video from this Mehron palette. And yes, I'm gonna do painting, face painting, makeup tutorials. Yeah, so but I have to practice with that, so bear with me. Maybe it's not gonna be soon on my channel, but I will try my very best that I will do it. And if you are if you have Instagram, please like or follow me on Instagram, because I love to put pictures in there. Like whenever I practice, I don't usually film that, but I took a picture and always post that in my Instagram, and my Instagram is Cherry Beauty Stop. There's no S for cherries. So yeah, that's it, and that's it for our Mehron makeup unboxing and also a swatch. And if you like my content, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.